Everyone has expenses for basic living needs. There is no way to eliminate fixed expenses, however, with some creative budgeting, you can save a lot of money. If you have a debt problem, good practice in expense control and budgeting can help you free up cash to pay off your debt. To accomplish your goal, you must keep your expenses under control while increasing your income. In this video, you will get some tips on how to lower your expenses. Here are ways to save money. 1. Eliminate credit card debt. For many people, owning a credit card is a lifestyle, and there are people with 5 to 10 credit cards. It's so convenient to make payments with credit cards at a detriment to your budget. To get ahead financially, you must reduce or eliminate credit card debt. 2. Request for a lower credit card interest rate. Did you know that 57% of people who called their credit card company and asked for a lower interest rate got one? Getting your credit card interest rate lowered depends on various factors. Usually, the bank will approve your request provided you meet the following criteria. You must have a good credit rating, meaning no late payments on your credit report and a good credit score. You do not have a high debt-to-income ratio, and you do not carry a large balance on your credit card. You do not pay just the minimum payment required each month. You have an excellent payment history. When you call and ask for a lower interest rate, your request should be based on the fact that you are an excellent customer or that you are getting a better offer from another credit card company. 3. Only buy quality clothing. Buy only good quality clothing that you can wear for many seasons. This will help you reduce the frequency of buying new clothing. Always remember to buy quality clothing, they last longer. 4. Watch your food budget. Based on a recent survey, people who do not know how much they spend on groceries each month are 20 times more likely to be over their heads in debt than those who know exactly how much they spend on food each month. You can save a lot of money on food by doing the following. Stop dining out. Meals prepared at home are far less expensive. Don't buy what you don't really need, such as soft drinks, sugary snacks, and sweets. Giving them up will improve your health, reduce your medical and dental expenses. Get the best price by comparing supermarkets. Don't shop at the closest supermarket just because it's more convenient. Driving a mile or two down the road can save you as much as $50 per week on groceries. 5. Carpool with your friends, co-workers, and neighbors. If you have neighbors who work close to your job, you can carpool with them to save on transportation costs. These are just a few tips to reduce your monthly expense. By making a list of all your monthly expenses, you will realize that there are expenses you can reduce or eliminate. Hope you found these personal finance tips helpful. As always, smash the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel for more great content. See you in my next video.